Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Drinks and Destination, a handy guide to the world of wine, spirits and more, along with a dip into travels around the world.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and I know बहुत दिनों के बाद ये podcast up हो रहा है क्योंकि एक नया टेस्ट सीरीज इज अप हियर. इंग्लैंड प्ले साउथ अफ्रीका गया ही नहीं घर.
नहीं.
चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी के बाद वो गाला इवेंट हुआ ग्लोबल T20.
Correct, yes.
And then they are still there.
Yeah, they will be there for
But
the
ये
next.
क्या मतलब साउथ अफ्रीका ए टीम है.
हाँ, लग तो ऐसे ही रहा है. दो वजह से, जिस तरह वो लोग खेल रहे हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड जो प्लेयर्स टीम में है उनके. It's very disappointing to see AB de Villiers go out in this fashion. I knew he wouldn't play Test cricket for a long time. He wants to focus on the 2019 World Cup. He wants to win that elusive trophy for South Africa. I have my doubts for various reasons. But getting back to Test cricket, I think he should have finished the full English tour, man. He had no business to leave it in between. And that's...
I mean, a player like AB de Villiers deserves a...
Exactly. He
exit.
needs... Yeah, grand exit. And he's got so much left in the tank. He has so much to offer. And he's got a staggering record in Test cricket. So it was a major surprise that he's opted out. And then Faf du Plessis becoming a father. There was a bit of no doubt whether he would come in, wife going into labor, delivering with the child, and then it all ended up a little complicated. So, I don't know. Look, he's not going to be in the first Test match. Let's hope he comes back for the second, third, and fourth one. But Dean Elgar is a solid player in my opinion. I'm not too sure about his captaincy credentials, but they don't have too many options. Amla is very reluctant. You can't give the captaincy to Quinton because he's already doing double duty with the gloves and batting. So who's the other candidate? I mean, JP Duminy, again unsure about his place.
Even Morris, even
Philander is coming out of an injury. Rabada again too young for the captaincy role. So Dean Elgar, obviously the best choice.
Not the best choice. He's like अभी बिठाना है किसी को तो.
अभी देखो यार, आपके पास है ही इतने ऑप्शंस, उसमें बेस्ट चॉइस तो बताना ही पड़ेगा ना. So
are you telling me कि like JP Duminy, इन्होंने किसी ने भी ऐसा हाथ नहीं ऊपर किया कि taking responsibility?
Amla has been like Sachin. It was only given to him because nobody else was ready to do it, and then he put his hand up and said, "I don't want to do it because if I do it, my batting is suffering."
Yeah.
And as you have seen in the world of cricket, all these great batsmen, or I should say many of them, can't be great leaders. So we'll see Virat Kohli slowly tasting that and देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है करके. But back to this game at Lord's. Finally, we'll be watching some quality cricket after a long time. काफी लंबा wait हो चुका है. I think the last good series we saw was India-Australia.
Yeah.
भले turning track tha ya kuch bhi ho, but it was closely contested and both teams put on a wonderful show and the result went in India's favour 2-1. This test match, Lords, kitna kuch hai yaar. Just about 2 stations away there is Wimbledon happening, you know. At this time of the year I always feel I should be in London, not in Mumbai, so that I can take, it's 11 o'clock sandwich, I open the gates at Wimbledon, around 3:34 tea time I go to Lords for the final session. Man, that is ideal life. Anyway, अभी वो हो नहीं सकता, कभी ना कभी जरूर होगा यार, 100% होगा.
Definitely. But we are here for fantasy cricket.
Yeah, fantasy thinking, wishful thinking, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so South Africa, like you said, there is Temba Bavuma who might bat 5 or 6.
When was the last time you thought कि you're talking about England and South Africa and the first player you will be talking about is Temba Bavuma?
Fantastic. That is because of you. You have some liking towards Temba Bavuma. I don't know why. देखो, situation ऐसा है, many of you rather will see our team and you will be a little bit bothered. आप शायद हंस भी लोगे. But what you need to understand is if you pick Root, Amla, Cook, one of Besto or De Kock and Anderson or Abroad, that's it. आपका सारा बजट वहीं खलास हो जाएगा.
ऐसे वो
Stokes.
नहीं, एक ये बोलता हूँ कि फैंस मतलब अपने लिसनर्स के सामने ये डालो कि आप कुक, रूट और आमला लो और टीम बना के बताओ. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल.
नहीं, आप शायद टीम बना लोगे लेकिन ऐसे प्लेयर्स लोगे जो शायद खेलेंगे ही नहीं.
पहले कोई लेगा.
Imagine in a 5-day match if you play one shot, you know, God help you, it's very difficult to catch up then. So it is out of क्या कहते हैं out of
Just tell me the playing 11 of South Africa. I think that will sort a lot of things.
Okay, good. So because Faf is not there, ABD is not there, and Stephen Cook, who has been dropped after a miserable show in New
Is it
Zealand.
Steven or Stephen?
Some say Stephen, some say Stephen. At the end of the day, the word, or rather the name Stephen, in many parts of the world they call it Stephen, doesn't matter.
Okay.
The P and the V make a lot of difference. But at the end of the day, what matters is how you address them, that's all. And when I say address, I'm talking about respect, not name. Anyway, so opener. Opening, I think Dean Elgar has been their long opener and number 2 will be Heino Kun. So now this guy belongs to the Titans squad, people who have been following Ram Slam cricket for a long time now. He plays under Abby de Villiers, under Mone Mokal and Faf du Plessis. He plays in the Highfield. He's a very good wicketkeeper batsman, likes to attack, is one of the top T20 run getters in South Africa. And he played the warm-up match against England Lions a few weeks ago and ended up getting an 80 opening the innings. He will open, in my opinion, with Dean Elgar. 1 down will be Amla, 2 down will be JP, 3 will be Temba Bavuma, Quinton de Kock, and then Thynus de Bruyne, because he's somebody who bowls medium pace and he can bat 5 or 6. He can also open the batting. He will get a chance. The 7th spot, I don't know, maybe a Chris Morris. See, here's the interesting situation. Do you play 4 seamers, which in English conditions, and then 1 spinner in a Keshav Maharaj? There is no Shamsi, there is no Imran Tahir. So Maharaj has to be their only spinner. The other part-time spinner could be JP Domini. But मैं ये नहीं मानता कि he's a strike bowler, Nikhil. He's somebody who's just going to roll his arm over. How many genuine paces do they have? Philander is declared fit, 100% fit. Rabada is going to be there. Mone Mokal is going to be there. And Chris Morris. So if Chris Morris doesn't play, which means South Africa will have 3 pacers, 1 spinner in Keshav Maharaj, 1 medium pacer in Thynus de Bruyne, and 1 part-time off-spinner in JP Dumini. Now that's a pretty formidable attack. If they play Morris, even better, because Morris batting bhi karta hai. If they don't play Morris, they might play an extra batsman. I think they have picked Aiden Markram, somebody like him. But I don't see that happening. So this is the 11 I think South Africa will field. And like Nikhil said, pick more of England players for this match, because they are playing at home. They have all the momentum on their side and they have been playing Test cricket for a long time. So it's a settled unit. And when you talk about settled teams, fantasy में लेते हो तो आप भी आराम से बैठ सकते हो, because the danger of somebody being benched is very less. For example, England squad, I think Root will be the captain. Cook has to open along with Keaton Jennings. Now, who is Keaton Jennings? Ray Jennings ka beta, who got a century on his debut. Nikhil has a very short memory. हम दोनों बैठ के वानखेड़े में मैच देख रहे थे. देखा? देखा, और उसने 100 मारा था. See, ये होता है कभी कभी. So we pick him. He's going to open the batting and he's cheaply priced. 1 down Root, 2 down Gary Ballance. I have never been a fan of Gary Ballance and I will not pick him for this test match. उसके बाद में Johnny Bairstow has been in brilliant form. So pick Johnny Bairstow.
Him over Quinton de Kock.
Time and again हमें 2 लोग ने हमेशा धोखा दिया है. धोखा नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं उसको. मोइन अली. We pick him, he doesn't contribute. We don't pick him and we lose many rupees. Quinton de Kock number 7 पे भी आके 100 मारने की काबिलियत रखता है, and he's done it so many times across continents, many teams.
You know,
and
unlike Moeen Ali, Quinton de Kock has always performed.
Correct.
Rarely he has.
That's true, but you have to also take into consideration Johnny Bairstow's current form. यार क्या मस्त बैटिंग कर रहा है. One day हो, T20 हो, Test match हो. He looks so solid and he's so sure about himself, man. When you have so much confidence, and he's going to be the keeper. There is no Butler, there is no Billings, there is nobody. The only keeper in England's lineup is Johnny Bairstow. अभी देखो एक और मैं आपको दुविधा में डाल रहा हूँ. When Anderson, Broad and a few other pace bowlers are bowling at the weak South African batting, where do you expect catches to go?
Slip.
And keeper, बरोबर. नहीं सुनो, keeper. Yeah. So likewise, when Morris, Rabada and Philander bowl, catches could go to Quinton de Kock. But इंग्लैंड की बैटिंग मेरे को ज्यादा जबरदस्त लगती है एज कम्पेयर टू. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? इंग्लैंड लुक मोर फॉर्मिडेबल. So these are the 3 points, 3 logic why we have picked Johnny Bairstow ahead of Quinton de Kock, and also 0.5 का फर्क है. 0.5 में बहुत कुछ इधर उधर हो सकता है.
Okay. But those, half an hour, 1 hour, जब Quinton de Kock bat करेगा ना,
will be, yes. So if you don't pick him, you have to hope he gets out very quickly. If he stays there for 10-15 overs, then boss, you can either go from 5-6 to 1 or like me 1 से 20 भी जा सकते हो. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So this is what we thought of, and we will stick to Johnny Bairstow. So there is Ben Stokes, Moeen Ali, Anderson is declared fit, Broad is also fit. Now there could be a toss-up between Mark Wood and Roland Jones. Both are in great form. Roland Jones will be playing at his home ground.
I feel Mark Wood will get a nod ahead.
I think so. हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, लेकिन हम दोनों के पंगे में नहीं पड़ेंगे. हम ब्रॉड और एंडरसन सीजन्ड कैंपेनर्स लेंगे जो उनके genuine strike bowlers हैं, and I think majority of the wickets will come from that direction. And let's also not forget, the second change is going to be Ben Stokes. For a moment I was thinking about dropping Ben Stokes because balance नहीं है.
बैलेंस का ऐसे वो मजाक कर रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
बैलेंस का
ही कांट रिस्क दैट.
आप ऐसा रिस्क मत लो. मैं ऐसे कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ, आप ऐसा नहीं तो सच में मैंने बोला करके आप उसको छोड़ दोगे, फिर गालियां हमें ही पड़ेगी. ऐसा मत करो, उसको ले लो. So England have a lot of bowling options, and we just feel we are very comfortable with Anderson, Broad and Stokes. And as far as South Africa is concerned, Philander, Rabada, that's it. और कोई भी नहीं चाहिए. Dale Steyn होता तो straight away Dale Steyn आ जाता, but he is not there. Morne Morkel, I'm not too sure about his fitness. And एक और मैं आपको बात बता दूं, you might say he has been fit, but to bowl in a T20 match or a one-day match as compared to 5 day, यार 5 days मतलब every day you'll have to come and bowl. So to go through 40-50 overs of grind and endurance requires a lot. Somebody can come and bowl. Even Lasith Malinga 4 ओवर डाल देता है यार. उसमें भी उसको कोई मिनिस्टर गाली देता तो कुछ बोल देता है, फिर उसको खुद को बैन बैठता है, फिर आके जिम्बाब्वे भी उसको मार रहा है. आजकल बहुत खराब टाइम चल रहा है उसका, मैं बता दूं.
He is good at Mumbai Indians.
Yeah, he's fantastic. अभी वो अगला साल भी आएगा क्या मालूम नहीं है, जैसा चल रहा है. So
प्लेइंग 11 में नहीं होगा तो सपोर्ट स्टाफ में जरूर
होगा. Yes, and our fantasy 11 we pick Johnny Bairstow, Hashim Amla is there, Joe Root is there, Keaton Jennings is there, JP Duminy is there. Oh my God. Who else? Ben Stokes is there, Anderson, Broad, Philander, Rabada. So this is our team. Captain is Joe Root. I think he's going to be the universal choice. And Hashim Amla as the vice captain has got a great record at Lords, loves playing in England. Uska zabardast record raha hai, and he did pretty well in the Champions Trophy. So you have to take all these factors into consideration. If you want some other choices, like you always ask us, और कोई ऑप्शन दे दो, टीम 6 बना रहा हूँ, टीम 4 का ऑप्शन दे दो.
एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास. Why not Keshav Maharaj instead of Bavuma?
No, then we don't have South African batsmen at all, Nikhil. We'll be only left with Hashim Amla and JP Duminy. That is one. And how many South African bowlers can we play? What if England, they don't get bowled out? What if they are 500 for 8 declare? How many wickets do you think Keshav Maharaj will pick?
It's not an issue, but the thing with this starting 11 is we are not at all looking at spinners. And what if Lords का ऐसा record नहीं है, but what if it turns?
नहीं, देखो टर्न की बात नहीं है. It will not turn very much, but on the 4th and 5th day, the spinners will definitely have a great chance of picking up a few wickets. I understand your point because Keshav Maharaj has done well in New Zealand.
And he is their lead spinner.
He's their lead spinner. Yeah. Unfortunately, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. South Africa has never produced a good spinner. Exactly. I mean, if you go back,
Pat Simcox.
Pat Simcox फिर भी, I mean, I know joke है. Pat Simcox भी एक joke था. Then came Nicky Boye, then came Paul Harris, then came Imran Tahir, then came so many people, then came Claude Henderson. Oh my goodness, I don't want to go back to all that. Fast bowlers की बात करो. But again, the problem that I face here is Rabada and Philander. If they can go wicketless, what makes you think कि महाराज देगा?
Exactly ना, वही तो मतलब अगर रबाडा और फिलेंडर विकेटलेस ऐसा होगा नहीं, but that means कि the ball is coming easily onto the bat with pace.
चलो मान ली तुम्हारी बात, England are 60 for no loss and ये लोग दोनों थक गए. Then Maharaj comes into bowl.
ठीक है, Maharaj comes into picture.
Okay. Let's say they are given a rest.
Take your own theory of 4th and 5th day. Okay. He is their lead spinner. जो कम से कम 35-40 ओवर डालेगा.
बिल्कुल डालेगा. If we pick him, किसको उड़ाए? बाउमा 2 बार बैटिंग करेगा यार, और बाउमा अच्छी बैटिंग कर लेता है. आई मीन आई मेक फन ऑफ हिम, बट वो खेलता है, ठीक ठाक खेल लेता है बाउमा. बट महाराज को अगर मेरे को बिठाना है तो एक फास्ट बॉलर को सैक्रिफाइस करना ही. एंड मुझे लगता है इट इज डेंजरस टू लीव रबाडा एंड
बिग रिस्क.
दैट विल बी अ बिग रिस्क. सी, वी थॉट अबाउट मार्क वुड आल्सो. देन अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन ऑफ 4 इंग्लैंड बॉलर्स. आई समवेयर फील दिस टेस्ट मैच इज गोइंग टू बी फुल ऑफ रन्स, and I think England batting
ये लॉर्ड्स है भाई, इतना इजी नहीं होगा,
नहीं
full of
होगा
runs
देखो,
नहीं
बट इंग्लैंड विल इवेंचुअली ओवरपावर साउथ अफ्रीका, ऐसे मुझे लगता है. इंग्लैंड आर फेवरेट्स एंड इंग्लैंड से बहुत रन आने वाले, एंड दैट्स व्हाई okay, Alistair Cook. So we have to address this issue, Nikhil. It's a very important point. Alistair Cook हमारी टीम में नहीं है. जैसे कि हमने पहले भी आपको बताया, it is extremely difficult to build a team within the budget that we have. I went through his numbers. He has not been playing international cricket after he gave up the captaincy in test matches. And he has scored 200s and 250s in the last month. How's that for comfort?
हाँ, in the ODI.
Yes. So अगर कोई इतना अच्छा फॉर्म में है एंड इतना महान बैट्समैन है एंड वो चिपकू है, चिपक गया तो हम गए. सो व्हाट डू वी डू? इफ यू पिक कुक, कैन यू लीव रूट? इफ यू पिक बोथ, कैन यू लीव आमला? इफ यू पिक ऑल थ्री, कैन यू लीव फिलेंडर?
बेन स्टोक्स,
या. सो हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है आजकल. देखो मैं बहुत कमजोर पड़ गया हूँ इस चीज में. सो यू हैव टू रियली एनालाइज, यू हैव टू थिंक, एंड समवेयर देयर इज अ बैलेंस, बॉस. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर इफ यू डोंट पिक कुक, ensure that you cover up in some other way. ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपने ऊपर भी, वो होता है ना चोरी, अगर नीचे का ताला ऊपर का ताला दोनों ने डाला तो चोरी तो होने ही वाला है ना. मेक श्योर एक ताला लगा के रखते हो. सो समवेयर ऑन दैट लाइन आई फील कुक हैज टू बी ड्रॉप्ड. He could get a century, Root could go out for a 0. Please don't abuse us. So
नहीं, इसमें मतलब ये मैच ऐसा है कि
नहीं, मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ निखिल, लोग अपने को बोलेंगे तुमने अभी रूट लिया, कुक ने 100 मारा, अब रूट को कोई ड्रॉप करेगा क्या यार?
ये ऐसा मैच है ना कि यहाँ पे तुम कितना भी मल्टीपल टीम्स बनाओ, यू हैव टू टेक रिस्क एट वन एंड, अदरवाइज टीम नहीं बनेगा.
Exactly. And before you guys ask us who's the next captain or vice captain, I will give you a few interesting choices. James Anderson, when the ball seams and swings, he's got a fantastic record. He is a good choice. One more option, I don't think anybody will argue, is Ben Stokes. कोई argue नहीं करेगा, bowling, batting सब कुछ है. Johnny Bairstow is going through a dream run and I'm convinced हमको उसको लेना है. So that's why. We'll see what happens when Faf du Plessis and others come back. But for the first test match, now you guys must have realized that we are doing this recording almost 48 hours before the game. So there could be some changes, there could be some injuries, there could be some announcements. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है, we'll obviously make those changes. But for the time being, this is our team. And you can also see the article, which is already up. So that's all.
Yep. The article is already up on our website, thefangarage.com. और कुछ changes है तो हमारा Twitter handle TFG Fantasy 11 is an XI. Article will also be up on Facebook page, Fantasy Pandit. And ये podcast तो आपको पता है अभी कहाँ होता है. iTunes, Audio Boom, Indusworks Media, SoundCloud और YouTube पे तो होता ही है. So subscribe, share, like and comment.
इस मामले में कोई रस नहीं पड़ा यार तुम्हें.
चलो bye bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.